You fall asleep, but your brain does not. Every night while your body rests, your brain begins one of the most important jobs of your life. It repairs damaged cells, it clears toxic waste, it organizes memories, it prepares you for tomorrow. But when sleep is poor, this entire system begins to fail. Today, we explore how sleep rebuilds your brain every night, what neuroscience has discovered, and why sleep may be the most powerful tool you have to protect your brain as you age. What is sleep, really? Sleep is not passive. It is not simply turning off. Sleep is an active biological process. During sleep, your brain shifts into different modes, including light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep. Each stage serves a different purpose. Without all of them working together, your brain cannot fully recover. Deep sleep and brain cleaning. During deep sleep, your brain activates a system called the glymphatic system. This system acts like a cleaning crew. It flushes out toxic proteins, metabolic waste, substances linked to Alzheimer's disease. During the day, these waste products build up. At night, sleep removes them. When sleep is shortened or disrupted, this waste remains in the brain. Over time, damage accumulates. Sleep and memory consolidation. Sleep is essential for memory. When you learn something new, your brain does not store it immediately. During REM sleep, important memories are strengthened. Unnecessary information is removed. Sleep acts as your brain's save and organize system. This is why studying without sleep is ineffective. Skill learning improves after sleep. Memory suffers during sleep deprivation. Sleep and emotional regulation. Sleep also regulates emotions. When sleep is poor, the amygdala becomes overactive. Emotional reactions intensify, anxiety and irritability increase. Sleep resets emotional balance. This is why after a bad night of sleep, everything feels harder. Sleep and brain aging. In our previous videos, we explored how fast that aging occurs. Research shows chronic sleep deprivation accelerates brain aging. Poor sleep is linked to cognitive decline. Long-term insomnia increases dementia risk. Sleep is one of the strongest defenses against premature brain aging. What happens when sleep is missing? One night of poor sleep can cause reduced focus, slower reaction time, poor decision-making. But long-term sleep deprivation leads to memory impairment, reduced learning ability, structural brain changes. The damage is slow, silent, and cumulative. How sleep protects and rebuilds the brain. Neuroscience identifies several sleep practices that protect brain health. Consistent sleep schedule, reduced light exposure before bed, limiting screens at night, managing caffeine intake, stress reduction. These habits support neural repair, memory preservation, long-term cognitive resilience, the future of sleep science. Scientists are exploring sleep-based brain therapies, personalized sleep medicine, AI-assisted sleep optimization. In the future, sleep may become a central tool in brain disease prevention. When you sleep, your brain rebuilds itself. Sleep is not weakness. It is brain maintenance. The way you sleep today shapes how your brain will function tomorrow. Subscribe to BioCore Health for science-based documentaries on the human brain, aging, and health.